Exploring the reach of digital marketing in 2024. Digital Marketing Trends 2024. One major trend is the increasing focus on personalized marketing approaches. Brands will leverage data analytics to create highly targeted and tailored marketing campaigns that resonate with individual consumers. Additionally, the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, in marketing will lead to more efficient and effective customer engagement strategy. Future of digital marketing. The future of digital marketing lies in the seamless integration of various online advertising strategies. From social media marketing to SEO and content marketing, brands will need to utilize a combination of tactics to reach their target audience effectively. Additionally, the evolution of digital branding strategies will play a crucial role in establishing a strong brand presence in the digital space. The role of social media marketing. Social media marketing will remain a cornerstone of digital marketing in 2024. With the growing popularity of platforms like TikTok and Instagram, brands will need to stay ahead of the curve by creating engaging content that resonates with their target audience. Effective social media advertising will be key to driving brand awareness and customer engagement. SEO and content marketing evolution. Search engine optimization (SEO) will continue to be a vital component of digital marketing in 2024. Brands will focus on optimizing their websites and content for search engines to improve their visibility online. Content marketing will also evolve, with a greater emphasis on storytelling and creating valuable, engaging content that captures the attention of consumers. Digital marketing innovations. Video marketing strategies will become increasingly popular as brands leverage the power of video content to engage with their audience. Mobile marketing will also play a significant role, with brands optimizing their campaigns for mobile devices to reach consumers on the go. Conclusion. In conclusion, the reach of digital marketing in 2024 is poised to extend to new heights as brands continue to innovate and adapt to changing consumer behaviors.